blessings, y'all. It's your girl T back at you with another video. Yes, T's braids, weaves, and wigs, servicing Northern California. Because what here is what I love to do. So yes, hit that save button and you will see all my latest videos. You can also visit my Facebook page at T's Braids and Weaves to get more details on all my services. Yes, alopecia will not win, but no more worries, ladies. Why? Because I can help. And no one has to know that you have hair loss. There are many styles that you can wear, including this beautiful style right here. That is box braids. And I will be using our 100% all natural. Alright, y'all, so the braid pattern is complete. She will be having a right side part, and here I am going to be using some weaving net. Yes, I am going to be using some weaving net, one to protect her hair here on the sides to make sure that there is no further damage or further hair loss to her edges, as well as I am going to use this weave net to attach those goddess box braids so that she can have the fullness that she wants on the sides. So I am going to be adding some weaving net to the front on the other side as well, again for the same reason, so that she can have more fullness where she has hair loss. If you have not tried this method, please try it. Yes, I love this method. Using this extra net gives all my clients more hair in the front, which covers all the areas where they have hair loss. So if you haven't tried using the excess net, please try it. And yes, here they are, the goddess box braids. They are 3 sections, 1, 2, 3. They are the goddess box braids. Yes, they are 18 inches long. They are pre-loop and they are by Lulu Triss. Yes, again, they are pre-looped. They are so easy to work with. I love working with this hair. The color is 99J. These, here it is right here. That excess net that I left right here around her edges. I'm using my needle and thread and I'm actually sewing the pre-loops on. This method is awesome. It is sturdy, it is secure. You don't have to ever worry about them slipping off or coming off because each one is sewn on individually. They're versatile, which means they can move from side to side, up and down. And it is the perfect method to use when you have clients that have hair loss, especially around the edges or even at the top. I have some videos as well where I use this method to sew on crochet braids or twists or passion twists at the top. So again, watch this method, and if you haven't tried it, please try it. You will love it. Your clients will love it. It gives all the fullness in the world, as well as the versatility of being able to move the goddess braids, twists, or whatever you're doing. With this method, again, remember, it reduces any pulling and tension on her edges. If I was to just regularly crochet these box braids on this braid, this by her edges, it will definitely cause more stress and pulling on her edges, which will cause more hair loss. And we do not want to promote hair loss. I'm only wanting to promote hair growth. So please continue to keep watching. Please support my channel by subscribing and hitting that bell. Continue to keep watching this method so you can see how full this comes out and how versatile they are. Look how I just laid those box braids upward. They will move up, down, forward, and backwards. So they are very, very versatile. So yes, please continue to watch this method. And again, if you haven't tried it, please try it. Oh my gosh, look how full this is getting. This is amazing. If you have not tried this sew-in method with crochet braids, twists, or passion twists, or whatever you are doing, you must try it. This is amazing. Look how full this is. I'm going to continue to keep sewing one by one and get this fullness on the side that she wants, because I am loving it. Yes. So continue to watch, and I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. And after that, the style will be completed. So I will not say anything else until the end of this video. So please continue to watch. And again, I thank you so much for supporting my channel, for watching and commenting on my videos. Please hit that save button. Yes, scroll over, scroll down until you see save. Save it, watch it later, share it with your family and share it with your friends. And again, much love to all my subscribers. Thank you.